Hi guys, today I want to talk about the importance of planning when you write code. Now, why is planning important? Planning is important because when you write code, it's most likely going to happen that you're not going to be the only one who's going to maintain the code for you. You're going to have other developers who will be writing code on the same platform that you write code. So, here's what I want to say. When you write code, always add comments, add documentation, and have text files or even use project boards so that you know what you're doing. This makes your life easier in the long term and it makes life of other developers easier. Another reason why you should spend time on planning is because planning helps you be more methodological with your work. When you're methodological with your work, you can think better, you can write readable code, and you can build better software in general. Now, how do you go about planning your code? Uh, One way is you can use project boards. GitHub has a feature where it gives you a project board and you can just write the tasks that you want on one side as the tasks that need to be completed, and then another side which is say doing or completed. And all you need to do is just drag the task when it's completed into doing or completed. As I said, it makes you think better. When you think better, you can write more readable code, you can focus on understanding your tech stack better, and you can spend time on uh, learning while you're writing code. Planning is also important because yeah, no doubt, it makes you a better thinker. It also gives you a realistic estimate of how much time is required to complete the project. When you write code, you don't just randomly start coding. If you do, I'd suggest stop doing that and spend more time thinking about all these other things. Project planning, spend time thinking about project planning, because if you don't have a project manager who's very skilled, then it's going to happen that all the onus and all the onus of responsibilities on you, and you've got to keep yourself accountable for everything that is done. Now, I told you how you can do planning. I'll tell you more reasons why planning is important. Planning is important because maintenance is a very important aspect of writing code. And as I said, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, it's highly likely that the code that you write will be maintained by other developers on your team. And if they don't understand the code that you write, it'll happen that they may get pissed at you or they'll get frustrated, and that won't help the team in general. So make sure you spend at least, I'd say, 20% of your time to plan. And by planning properly, you don't just make life easier for yourself, you make life easier for other developers on your team. Now, this is just about planning. uh, what tools you can use to be a better planner? One is there's this software called Trello, and Trello gives you project boards just like GitHub boards, where you can just add cards for each task that needs to be done and separate your a large scale task or a project as a board. And in each board, you can just add the task or you can add the subtasks that need to be completed. Another tool that you can use is Jira. Jira is for larger projects, for medium to small scale, for even for medium projects. For small scale projects, it might not be that useful, and you're better off using a text file or you're better off using GitHub boards. You also have GitHub boards, which is a more boiled down version of Trello and uh, Jira. Another advantage of using GitHub boards is that if you have issues, now always wherever there is some issue or wherever there is some problem in your code, add a new issue, add the right kind of classification for it: important, high priority, uh, beginner, and so on. These priorities ensure that a person who's starting off with the code, or it could be even you, When you hit your code base later, you know which issues are important, which are not so important, and you can prioritize better. Another thing with GitHub boards is that it helps you, uh, say there's an issue that you just completed and you want to mark that issue as completed by just dragging your, or by just doing the right thing, by just dragging your card to the completed section, the issue automatically gets closed. So that again simplifies work to a great extent. And I mean, that's pretty much it. There's a lot more I can talk about planning, but this video, just like the other videos, is unrehearsed, and I'm just kind of speaking my mind and trying to educate programmers about what are the good practices you could follow when developing software. Uh, Last but not the least, I would like to say that spend time understanding software engineering practices, because that makes you a better developer in the long run. Cheers.